In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up sprints in ClickUp. To start, open your ClickUp Workspace and navigate to your development board where you manage sprint work. In this example, we're working from a board view dedicated to development status and sprints. Once you're on that board, look for the task related to increasing the limit of the number of files that can be uploaded per plan and open it. This task will be our example sprint backlog item. Inside the task, we'll first make sure its basic sprint details are set up properly. Confirm the status is updated by clicking on the status area and setting it to Done when appropriate. Keeping statuses accurate is crucial so your sprint board reflects real progress. Next, let's configure the timing of this work. Click on the due date field, which might show an older date. Open the date picker and select today. Setting the correct date helps your sprint views and reports stay aligned with the current iteration. Now we'll take care of priority. Click on the priority field, which may be empty, and change it to high. This marks the task as critical within the sprint, helping your team quickly understand what needs attention first. After that, we'll estimate the effort. Open the time estimate area and choose 10 hours. Then confirm by clicking Add Time. Estimations like this are a key part of sprint planning because they allow you to see total capacity and balance workload across the team. Let's also make sure the task has a clear description. Click into the description area where it says Add Description. Use this space to briefly explain the purpose of the work, important constraints, or acceptance criteria. A good description reduces back and forth questions once the sprint is underway. Next, check the task name and its status column. Make sure it's in the To-Do column so it clearly appears as upcoming work in the sprint backlog. If it's not, switch it from its current state to To-Do. Now we'll associate the task with the right sprint or category. Open the related field where you can select a category like Files Management. Then confirm that its type is set to Task. This helps keep your backlog clean and grouped logically. Finally, from the top of the board, switch to your Sprint Backlog Items view to confirm the task appears correctly there, and then move over to the Resources view. This lets you see how this item fits among other tasks and team capacity, completing your sprint setup workflow in ClickUp.